Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Darin and this is DerinsCorner. On today's episode of DerinsCorner, we're going to be eating healthy. So I'm going to be showing you how to make two nutritious, healthy vegetable stir fry. And I'm going to be using zucchini, I'm going to be using carrot, I'm going to be using mushrooms, I'm going to be using regular veggies that you would find in your pantry, in your local store, and your local supermarket. But before I go into today's recipe, please, if this is your first time here, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, which is that red button you're going to be seeing on your screen. And then also, please don't forget to click on the bell sign so you get notified when I have new videos. So let's start with the list of ingredients. So the first veggie I'll be making would be my zucchini and carrot seafood noodles. So I'm going to be spiralizing my carrots to make it look like noodles. And I'm just using an handheld spiralizer. You can use any form of spiralizer you have. Check Kitchen Joint to get your spiralizer if you don't have one. And then I'm going to be putting oil in a frying pan, and I'm just going to add my zucchini inside the oil, and I'm going to be adding my carrots thereafter. I'm just going to put a little bit of chili flakes because I need that spicy kick. If you don't like that, you can just skip this part, but yeah, so it gives it a little bit of spiciness. But if you don't want it to be hot or spicy, just skip it. And then I'm just going to toss it around. I'm using my tongs to toss it around and just allow the chili flakes to properly coat the carrot and the zucchini. And then I'm going to leave it to simmer for a while. Just be careful because you don't want it to be too soggy because it cooks very fast. So next I'm going to be adding my multi-purpose stir-fry sauce. I'm using the VH sauce. You can use any stir-fry sauce you have, but I like this one especially. So I'm just going to toss it around, mix the sauce, the stir-fry sauce with the zucchini noodles. And then the next thing I'll be doing would be to add my chopped up corn. So this is fresh corn and sweet corn, and then I just cut it into bits and I just added this into it. Then I'm adding my seafood mix. My seafood mix is made of clams, oysters, shrimps, and I'm just adding this in it. You can substitute your seafood with beef. You can substitute with chicken, whatever you feel like. But I'm using seafood for this particular recipe. So I'm just going to mix it. You can see that it's a little bit cooked now, and you don't want it, so this is what you're looking for. It's not soggy and it's not hard. So that's it, guys. My zucchini carrot seafood noodles is ready. You can see that it just looks like normal noodles and it is very delicious. So skip your normal noodles and take this veggie noodles. It's very, very delicious, and of course it will help you to lose some weight. So the next veggies we're going to be making would be mixed veggie sauce, and that is just using zucchini, red bell peppers, carrots, mushrooms, and of course adding a little bit of some spices to it. So I'm going to start by cutting my carrots, and I'm just going to slice this in big chunks, and then for each of the slice I'm going to have each slice, and I'm going to do the same thing for my zucchini too. So for the zucchini, you just cut it also in half, and that's because you don't want it to be too chunky in the mouth. And once you finish cutting your zucchini, then you go to your red bell peppers next. And I'm just going to also slice this in big chunks. So once I finish cutting my veggies, I'm just going to open up my collapsible chopping board. This chopping board doubles also as a bowl. So I'm going to rinse my veggies in this bowl. You can get this chopping board. It's called the collapsible chopping board from the Kitchen Joints. You can click on their link below to go to the website, and you can use my coupon code DerinsCorner to get 10% off. So I'm going to be adding some oil in a wok on the gas, and I'm just going to be adding my ginger. I'm adding a little bit of garlic powder, and then I'll be adding in my mixed veggies. So I'm just going to stir fry this and allow it to simmer for a while. I'm definitely going to mix it, and then I'll be allowing it to simmer for a while. So after about 5 minutes, I'm going to be adding in my mushrooms. I'm using a whole mushrooms. I'm not using the sliced one because mushrooms tend to shrink when they cook. So yeah, I'm just using the whole one like that. And then I'm adding in my sauce, which is my mixed veggie sauce from VH. And yeah, so I'm just going to mix that up a little bit and allow this to simmer. So next I'm going to be adding my chili flakes, and I'm going to also add more of the General Tao stir fry sauce. So I'm also going to be adding the pad thai, which is also a different flavor from the general one, and I'm also going to mix this together. So that's it, guys. Your mixed veggies stir fry is ready. So which one do you prefer, the mixed veggie stir fry or the zucchini carrot seafood noodles? Well, now you can make either of them, so just go ahead and make whichever one you prefer. And please don't forget to leave me a comment when you try it out. And I also, if you love this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like this video. Also, please share as much as you can, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at DerinsCorner. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bon appetit.